Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. My wife wants me to fix our cabinet doors here. They don't close very snug. So let's go to the shop and see what they have. We are back from Home Depot. I ended up going with these magnet ones. They were just the least expensive, $1 each. Let's head back inside and get those installed. All done with the bottom. They have a nice snap to it. I didn't do a perfect job installing it. Right here, I messed up the plywood a little bit, but video number 102 done.